Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how the Mingle app works. So first of all, this is the dashboard, and right now I'm in my account. Here's the cloud storage feature. With the help of this cloud storage feature, you can host unlimited data like your images, videos, basically anything else. Over here, you can upload any file from your computer. Select the file when it's done, and you can get a shareable link. There are so many options like link expiration, when this link will expire, and password protection. You can enter any password, and your customer or user has to enter this same password to see this file. Allow editing. Like, you can simply give them permission to edit, and you can permit them to download or not. Okay, now click on the Create Link, and a link will be generated for you. Now users can open it. Simply check the image here. They can also download the image here. All right. There are lots of options. You can create a folder as well, like this. Okay, so if I want to move this file into the folder, I simply do that from here. Next, we have the video hosting feature. Here you can host all your videos. Okay, now let me upload and see how the video uploading works. As you can see, the speed is very good. Okay, so the video is done uploading, and here's the link. Here you can simply play the video. Now see, my video is playing right now. Okay, here you can copy this embed code, and you can put this video on any website, blog, or anywhere. And here's the share link to the video. You can simply send it to your friends, users, or customers so that they can watch the video. Also, you can directly share this video on 6 major social platforms. All right, so this is it about video hosting. Next is the thumbnail creator. With the help of this feature, you can create unlimited thumbnails, edit, and use on different platforms. Okay, come here to add the text. Here are the filters. You can use any type of filter here, like this. Go ahead and customize further. There are lots of features here to explore. Here we have over 20,000 stock assets ranging from premium assets videos, stock images, background audios, stock graphic icons. There are a lot of options here, and you can use them for your website creation and designs, etc. Next is a screen recorder. You can record your screen and share with others. In this next feature, you get 50+ SEO tools, which will be useful for your website ranking. They're all categorized into SEO tools, blogging tools, server tools, basic tools, even website tools. Finally, we have web hosting. Simply put the details here, then we'll receive your details, and then you'll get your hosting in the next 3 to 4 hours. This is all the tools in the dashboard. Okay, here's the support link. You can simply click here to get support or contact us for any inquiry. Thank you.